My name is Bhante Ashok Sakya. I am coming from Bodh Gaya, Bihar.
You practice which sect of Buddhism?
Actually, Emperor Ashoka time to until this time, my generation 164. So that time to in the present time,
Yes.
we are also continue in the Bihar in the Patliputra.
Right.
So I am not only monk. Our father was also monk. Our grandfather was also monk.
Right.
So we have one generation of the monk,
You have tradition of
traditional
monk,
monks
huh?
in
Right.
the my generations.
Okay. What do you think about present Buddhism? Do you think people take interest in Buddhism?
Actually, if people want true of the knowledge, they have to need accept of the Buddhism.
Right.
Otherwise, they going in the wrong way and wrong faith.
Right.
So, if need people want to truth in the world, what is the religions, what is the Buddha teachings,
Right.
so have one only way to believe on the Buddhism and going on the eightfold path.
Right. What is the crux of the Buddhism?
Actually, in the not in the one region of the crest of the Buddhism,
Right.
have many region crest of the Buddhism.
Yes.
In the beginning time, emperor support of the Buddhism, as like you know very well, Lord Buddha period, Kosala, King Kosala, and Pasenjit and Raja Bimbisar, they also support of the Buddhism. After 300 year ago, 300 later, Samrat Ashok also they accept Buddhism and they spread in the world. And after many king dynastic, they follow Buddhism. And what have they want to support? They already support like Samrat Harshvardhan and Pal Kalin, also king and Kaningha dynastic. Many dynasty.
Yes.
Many kings they support Buddhism and they spread Buddhism. But in after few year ago, they not support of the king.
Yes.
So that's why automatically they going down. This is the first reason.
Yes.
And have many reasons. Second reason, they also some Brahmana they don't want to growth Buddhism, so they want to destroy Buddhism.
Right.
Shankaracharya also in the 12th century and 8th century, and after Mughal period also they want to destroy Buddhism. So that's why have many region they destroy Buddhism. Not only one region, near about 5 region have most they destroy Buddhism.
Yeah. Right. Acha, your visit to Odisha from Bodh Gaya is a long journey. What is the reason behind it by coming over here?
You ask like you want to see my heart. I am very happy to come here and see these places.
Yes.
Actually, I want to visit all places of the Buddhism.
Yes. Yes.
So in that way, we are coming also, and we are also visit many places. Not only Ratnagiri. Just I am coming from the Lalitgiri,
Yes.
and yesterday already I visit Khandgiri. So where have the Buddhist archaeological department they occupy and they keep. I want to see, go there and see everything, and what happened in the past. I want to know everything.
You told that there are many blind faiths and disagreements on religion, and my point of view is what should be the Buddhist nature in present context?
Actually, you know, Buddhist law and Buddha teaching not believe on the blind faith. Buddha teaching everything is the brightness,
Yes.
like eightfold path, four noble truth, and have many things include in the inside 37 ratna in inside of the Dhamma. So that's why they call this place also Ratnagiri. So have many things in inside, and the meditation also have 10 step. So inside have many things. What you want to search, if are you upasak, you have only 5 precepts. If you keep sila and you live very peaceful life, and we are monk. If have before I have also 10th sila precepts, and after then 227 sila. Bhikkhuni also 315 sila. So what you want to, if you going deep by deep, not one time deep. So deep, and finally you have to nibbana. They have also 10th kinds of practice of the meditation. If are going on that way and you practice 8-fold path, certainly that time not until this period also you want to get nibbana. So Lord Buddha have teaching. Don't believe another what people saying. Have writing in the mention in the book. You realize everything truth, and if you realize, you follow on that way.
Here question arises. Buddhism has segregated into many sects. So how a man can distinguish between these religions? Do what you preach?
Actually, Buddhism is not very easy to practice.
Practice, right?
So here have everything condition.
Yeah.
First of all, come here and keep sila, and then have to practice meditation and going in the right way. So everything have clear here.
Right.
So not easy to do everything.
Right.
And another way have mithya drishti,
Yeah.
like just pray and what you want have demand, just you told God, and if you know very easy to get. But here have everything is practice.
Right.
Without practice cannot achievement in the spiritual life anything
Right.
in these places.
Right.
And Buddha say religion and unreligion, two things in the world.
Yes.
What are you a speech? What are you doing for the body? What are you doing for the mind? If are you good things doing self and another people, this is the religion. If are you doing wrong thing self and for the another people, so that is the unreligion.
Right.
In the on the earth, only two things have in the on the earth: religion and unreligion. So everything Buddha what is the explain, everything the clear. No have any doubts.
Did you like this place, being here in Odisha?
Why not? Why not? Why not? I am very heartily like this place. I am cannot explain how I come here and I feelings here. I have no words to explain
Yeah.
these feelings.
One last question. What prompted you to be a Buddhist monk?
So what is the great benefit in the Buddhist monk?
Yeah.
If are you not practice,
Yes.
I think you cannot understand.
Right.
So better than if you have time in your life,
Right.
10 days you make monk and you realize practice, and then you feeling what is the benefit of the sila and how have practice for the meditation and what is the benefit our life and us. I am also doing PhD of the Pali,
Yes.
so I know everything until to Mohenjo-daro and Harappa Ghati Sabhata, and that time to until now.
Yes.
What have is script, I can read everything.
Right. You know Pali Bhasha
Yes, yes, I can write Pali Bhasha and I can read Pali Bhasha.
Great.
I know everything. Not only Pali Bhasha, all script, even Urdu also. And this is the general time, Hindi, English, this is the general things.
Now, did
But
you-
I know everything.
Yeah, did you get a teacher to know all these language, or you are doing on your own?
My generation
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
they carry everything. So I know by traditional everything.
Yeah.
In the my society, they speak Pali also. And very well they understand written and writing Pali Mauryan script also.
Right.
So I can also read and write and everything, no.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And also help you to going on the Buddha teachings, and your wife also and your family also. I give blessing for you, good health and long life. Thank you very much. Mangal.